Are you tired of feeling drained, sluggish, like your body just isn't keeping up with your ambitions? What if the key to unlocking boundless energy and peak performance is already inside you, just waiting to be activated? Introducing Mitolyn, a cutting-edge science-backed supplement designed to supercharge your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells. More energy, sharper focus, better performance, that's what Mitolyn delivers. With a patent-pending formula, Mitolyn enhances cellular energy production, fights fatigue, and fuels your body at the deepest level. Say goodbye to midday crashes and hello to unstoppable momentum. But here's the game changer. Unlike ordinary energy boosters, Mitolyn works at the root cause, recharging your cells so you experience real, lasting vitality. Top athletes, professionals, and everyday go-getters are already experiencing the Mitolyn difference. Are you next? Feel the energy, own your day. With Mitolyn, nothing holds you back. Click the link below and try Mitolyn today, because your energy should match your ambition.